Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. We have got another package from Muslogy. Now these guys have sent us out stuff in the past, and not only is it easy to get, you can order all their stuff off of Amazon, but it's not going to break the bank, and most importantly, it fits perfectly. I've had, like I said, a few other things from these guys sent out, and it is like it's coming stock on the truck. And another nice thing is not many people make stuff for the Frontier. So these are one of the few that do. And like I said, straight off of Amazon at your door in a couple of days. So what they sent out, and a couple of you guys might like this. You can see right here, you got your custom fit premium cargo net. So it comes packaged in a nice little box or package like this. You got your little zip on top. So I'm going to open it up, show you what all is included. We'll get it on the truck so you can see how it looks. And then you can decide if you want to pick it up for yourself. And if you do, I will put the link down below for this, or if you want to find it yourself, if you look right here on the bottom of the bag, amazon.com/muslogy. That's what you're looking for if you want to pick it up for yourself. All right, so in the package, this is everything you get. Of course, you get your cargo net, which if you look on the bottom and on the sides, it's all reinforced. It's heavy duty. It's going to be able to take a little bit of beating from whatever you put in this stuff. It's not going to rip or fray over time. Then, of course, you get your cargo net section. Keep in mind, this bottom portion is like a little bit of a boot. So if you have smaller stuff in here that you don't want to roll away, maybe you got one of these in here, it's not going to find its way through the netting and disappear on you. It's going to be in the bottom right where you left it. Then you come across the top. Of course, you have your bungee cord, which will keep this thing tight once it's in there. But they also give you this little strap so you can pull it open and get your stuff in or out whenever you're trying to do it. Little extra feature, it's pretty cool. Come along the other side, and of course, same on this side. You got your little logo there again. Everything's beefed up. It's nice, sewn good. It's not going to fall apart on you. Then you get little zap or Velcro straps. These, I'm assuming, if you have something in here and you want it closed, it's more just like a strap to keep everything closed and in there. Then you get 4 little carabiners. I got one over here. You can see it's got their name put on there as well. So that is to actually mount this thing. You'll see that in a minute. Then you have your 2 mounts, and you need 4, but I'm going to show you. You get your 2 hooks, 2 bolts, 2 nuts, and those nuts actually fit right in the Utilitrack for the Nissan Frontier. And then the bottom section is going to go off of your stock points on each side. So the top will go into the track and the bottom will go into the stock hooks. And you hook it on there with the 4 carabiners. So 2 will go on the bottom, 2 will go into the hooks up top. You can pick and choose where you want that, of course, because you can just slide it in the track. And then to hook that on, the bottom one, you got a little hook here. That's to strap it on. And then if you look up top here, you have just a nice little one, just big enough to fit one of those guys through there, hook it on, and then your install's complete. The only thing you need for these bolts is a 5mm Allen key to tighten that down once you pick where you want it to sit. Now with my truck, I'm kind of limited on where I want to put these because I've got the rack on top, which also uses the track. But if you look in here, I can either put it on the outside or this side would be a little bit too far in. But with these little nuts, you can put it in. You just twist and then they'll go straight. You can see how it's sloped on one side. That's so you can put it in, give it a turn, and then it holds itself. So when you're tightening the screw down, it's gonna not spin and become loose on you. So I'm actually gonna put it right on the outside here like this with the hook pointing upwards like so. So then you just get your Allen key or your finger. I could have tightened that a little bit more before I put it in. You crank it down, and when you're done, it's going to sit up there like that. So you can see the hook's there, pretty much in line with where the bottom one is. Different orientation, but that's the way I want it. So then I'm going to get the other side in. We'll hang this thing up, and you can see how she looks. All right, so like I said, get one of your loops on the bottom, one on the top. Then all you got to do, pull and hook. It's as easy as that. And then the bottom one, same as the other set. You can pick and choose which way you want these things. It doesn't really matter which way they go. This one Hooks on there. Make sure it's all locked up. All right, so we got her installed. This is how it looks when it's all hanging. It's nice and snug. Everything fits good. It's not gonna flop around on you because the 2 anchor points hold it in place. And then, like I said, in the middle here, you got your little hook. So when you want to get something out of there, you can just pull it, reach in, get whatever you want. And now you can see down there as well how you do have that little pocket all the way across. So if you have something smaller in there, it's not going to wiggle its way or get caught in the netting. It's just going to sit there nicely and be ready to be removed whenever you get to where you're going. And then another thing to take note of, I didn't show you this before we put it on, but if you come here on each side, you got these little plastic clips. That's so when you pull this, it's going to just slightly pull this one with it, but it's also not going to let this spread way open and potentially rip the threading and stuff inside here apart, because you don't want the bungee cord section to be breaking inside here. So you have those clips on both sides, so when you pull it, that stops it from being able to split open inside where you wouldn't be able to get at it later on and fix it. So a nice little touch, and they're on both sides. You can see there's one here too. And then all that's left are these little Velcro strips. So if you got this thing filled up and you don't want people to easily get in there, I would assume it's for that. You can just put this in, and it's got a little cutout, a little notch there, so you can put that through. I'm doing this with one hand, so if I can do it with one hand, you can definitely do it with 2. And it just strips down like that. It'll hold it in place. So now you can see it's going to hold it closed for you. So a little bit of anti-theft say. People can't just reach in and open this and take what they please. They would have to at least take the time. And if you use them all, it comes with a whole bunch. You probably got, what is there? 6? You got 6 of these. So if you put 6 of those across and you have your truck parked outside, maybe you're running into the store or whatever, at least people have to work a little bit to steal your stuff out of there. But little nice touch. And again, if you're driving down the road, not that a bunch of air is going to get back here and make this thing flop around, but again, with the straps on there, it's just holding it more secure. And whatever you have placed in this thing is going to be exactly where you left it when you get to wherever you're going. So there you go, guys. Quick and easy install. 5 minutes and you're done. And now you got a cargo net in your truck. So if it's something you're looking for, check out the guys at Muslogy. Shout out to them for sending this out and let us try it out. They've also sent us something for the interior. They've made a tray or a separation kind of organizer tray for the glove box. So that video will be coming out shortly as well. If you want to see that, make sure to like and subscribe. If you like this one, I will drop the link down below so you can have easy access to it. If you can't find it with the link, just go to amazon.com/Muslogy. Look up their Frontier stuff because they have a ton of different stuff for this truck now. And so far, everything I've tested has fit and worked perfectly. So they're very high quality for the price range. And like I said, everything I've had so far is lasting, no issues, and you're not going to be breaking the bank to throw this on your truck. So like I said, if you like the cargo net, check them out, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching this one, and hopefully we catch you in the next one.